all our viewers and panelists. Project Talk is PropTiger's initiative to apprise home buyers about what is in the market and crucial information you need to know before making an investment. I'm Sneha Sharon, and today I'm joined by a distinguished panel, Mr. Sanjay Daga, Chief Operating Officer at Runwal. Welcome.
Thank you, Sneha. Good morning, friends. Look forward to a wonderful session with you guys.
Mr. Jitendra Singh, Sales Head for Runwal in Pune. Welcome.
Good morning, Sneha. Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much.
Ms. Deepika Hegde, Site Head for Runwal Code Beginnings. Welcome.
Thank you, Sneha. Thank you so much for the
And
introduction.
from PropTiger, we are joined by Regional Head for West Zone, Mr. Nitin Gautam. Warm welcome to all my panelists.
Yeah. Hi, good morning.
Now, Runwal Group is a well-known Mumbai-based developer firm and has a legacy of over 4 decades with significant expertise in residential, commercial, and retail spaces across Mumbai. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their home buying journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I now request my panelist, Mr. Sanjay Daga, to give a brief introduction about the company he's representing, and the same with Mr. Gautam.
Thank you, Sneha. Runwal Group is 4 decades of legacy with 51 delivered projects, diversified portfolio of residential, commercial, and retail. We have developed almost 30 million square foot of real estate all across Mumbai, Thane, and Dombivli. 14 ongoing projects, 20,000 happy families, and now we are coming to Pune. So this is a brief about the Runwal Group. Let's play the brand video what we have, which will give a fair amount of insight about the group and the activities what we carry.
Mr. Gautam.
Good morning, everybody. So PropTiger is a group company of Elara Technologies. PropTiger was established in the year 2011. And from 2011 till 2020, we have helped 25,000 odd families in their home buying journey. Our services are not just related to the selection and finalization of the residential apartment. We also help the clients in the home loan process through a dedicated relationship manager who helps them till the time the agreement of the property happens. And we provide all these services without any cost towards the client.
Thank you. Like Mr. Daga said, before we proceed, here's a small video talking about the project and its neighborhood and what makes it the right pick.
very happy to be a part of this Runwal family because the final product which we have received today was a great gift of our life.
Today we got our petition from Runwal and we are so happy as it's our first home and we are so excited. This is a complete package what we have actually got.
I started crying.
She was in tears.
I was in tears when I saw my house.
It is such a fabulous job done, it's beyond what we were expecting. So kudos to the entire team.
Runwal Ellie Grande.
That's Runwal for all our home buyers. Now we've also got something very special in store for all our prospective home buyers who are perhaps waiting for a site visit, a very first of its kind. Stay tuned for that. But before that, it's time to understand Runwal Code beginnings and its offerings better. So let's move on to the questions. Mr. Daga, my first question is for you. What made you come to Pune and why Pimpri as a location?
So as stated earlier, we have a diversified portfolio of residential, commercial, and organized retail. So we have recently tied up with Warburg Pincus, one of the biggest private equity investor from US, to expand in other geographies beyond Mumbai. So Pune being one of our preferred choice closer to Mumbai, we conducted a thorough markets research and found that in PCMC, there is no such project which addresses some of the basic requirements of the market, such as location, connectivity, availability of commercial area in the vicinity, plus the amenities which are the preferred selection for the customers today while selecting a real estate property, and most importantly the sense of peace while still being in a central location. So we finalized on this location and designed our project accordingly. Also, most importantly, we also figured out that there is no presence of a reputed developer in PCMC. We could not find a single project in vicinity with such a large development of 20 acres plus development and integrated development which has residential, retail, commercial in one location. So it's like a walk to your day-to-day requirements within the complex itself.
Thank you. Ms. Hegde, now can you tell us about the carpet size of all the configurations at Project Codename?
Sure. So I would like to share it over the screen as to how the carpet areas of the flats are. So I'll just quickly take you through the unit plans and the floor plans of the wings. So as I said earlier also, we are launching 5 towers as of now, C1, C2, C3, B1 and B2. So this is the floor plan for tower B1. So this tower is going to have a combination of 2 BHK premium and 3 BHK smart and also a 3 BHK premium. Tower B2 will have a 3 BHK premium 2 units and 2 4 BHK units. So if you see the passage area, it is approximately 2.3 meters wide. Plus there are only 4 lifts. To talk about the floor plans, it is very well designed, well ventilated flats. We'll move on to tower C1. So C1 consists of 2 BHK smart and it also consists of 3 BHK smart. Similar features, 4 lifts. There is the passage area is almost 2.3 meters. This is the tower plan for C2. C2 has a combination of 2 BHK premium and 3 BHK smart. Then we go to the C3 tower. C3 tower has 3 BHK smart again and 2 BHKs. I'll just quickly take you through the unit plans of the flat. So there are 2 variants in a 2 BHK. We call this a 2 BHK smart. This is around 664 square feet of 2 BHK smart. Then we have one more variant of a 2 BHK, which is a 2 BHK premium. This is around 741 square feet of 2 BHK premium. Then we have 2 variants again in a 3 BHK configuration. 3 BHK smart of 964 square feet. This is how the layout would look like. Then we have a 3 BHK premium, the second variant of a 3 BHK. This is 1171 square feet of 3 BHK premium. Then we have a 4 BHK unit. This is 1837 square feet of 4 BHK unit. So hope I have covered the floor plans quickly, and we can move on.
Thank you. I'll move on to Mr. Singh. Mr. Singh, can you tell us the expected prices of all these configurations, please?
So basically, as Deepika has explained the floor plan, so we have two configuration in 2 bedroom, which is 2 bedroom smart and 2 bedroom premium, 3 bedroom smart and 3 bedroom premium and 3 BHK category, and 1 4 bedroom. So 2 BHK smart will basically start from 68 lakhs to 72 lakhs. 2 BHK premium will go up to 75 to 78 lakhs. 3 bedroom smart will go from 1.01 to 1.03. 3 bedroom premium from 1.25 to 1.30, and 4 bedroom will start from 1.95 to 1.99 CR. So this is all inclusive pricing for all the configuration. Depending upon the floor, the price will vary in between the price range what we have shared right now.
All right. Thank you. Can you also help us understand what is the total size of the plot?
So total plot is like 26 acres, out of which 6 acres is given to like corporation. So 20 acres is what we are constructing right now. Looking at our legacy, like we are known for big malls, stunning malls, like we change the skyline wherever we develop a mall. So trust me, in this project, we are going to have 6 acres in commercial development, which is going to be a mall, and 8 acres for residential development.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Singh. I have one more question to ask you. If I ask you about the USP of a typical unit layout, what would you say?
So USP of the project. So I think the time frame, what we are, the time. I think I'll take the entire session if I talk about USP by project. So I'll tell you the way we have designed. We have put our heart into the development. For example, for a successful project, you need to have a very good location. Location we are bang on. Secondly, as explained by Sanjay sir, like exactly on the location, but with lot of peace inside the development. So the way we have designed, if you look at my, I think Deepika has just rushed through the floor plans. I'll explain a bit of it. So if you look at the floor plan, the way we have designed, as soon as you exit from the lift also, you're not looking at somebody's door. A small point, but from the privacy point of view. If you look at the layout of lifts, there are 4 lifts in a core in between 4 to 6 apartments. Yes, 4 lifts, that means there is no waiting time. You exit from your house, you get a lift that you can always use the lift. Second thing, if you look at the entire layout, so normally after the living, we have divided the space in private and semi-private. So master bedrooms are tucked inside so that you have your private space. And in every layout, you see number of terraces what we have given. So, and those terraces are one above another. That means you get an entire privacy in your terrace. All my layouts plans are 3-side open. That means pure privacy. The way we have designed the entire master layout, it is a lot of open space. On the podium is more than 2 acres of open space for children to. So for every member of family, there is some or other thing which we have designed in the project. And the biggest USP, if you ask me, it is the clubhouse. So I think we also have a small video on the clubhouse. So that will further take up the USPs to a higher level. So can you have the video for the clubhouse, please?
Okay. Thank you. I think we can have the video now because we get a lot of questions about the amenities such as these. So that was the clubhouse. Let me again remind our viewers that we have a very special drone visit for the project codename New Beginnings. So stay tuned and pour in your questions. This is the first time we are going live with a drone in Western India. Before that, let me pick up a few questions from the audience. Mr. Singh, there's somebody asking us, do you have indoor swimming pool? Will there be a separate swimming pool for kids?
Yes, there is also one of the USP of the clubhouse. So we have a indoor swimming pool and we have separate pool for kids also.
Ms. Hegde, there's another question we've got. How many car parkings are there for 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHKs? Will there be stacked parking?
Yeah. So a 2 BHK smart, 2 BHK premium and a 3 BHK Smart will have 1 car park, and a 3 BHK Premium will have 2 car parking, and a 4 BHK flat will come with 3 car parking. There is going to be a car parking as well.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Gautam, now we've received a very pertinent issue here. Somebody is asking us, is this the right time to buy? Will prices correct in future? Mr. Gautam.
So look, I will take it into two parts. First of all, the right time to buy, and the second is related to the price. So there is no as such right time to buy. It's always a right property at the right price that you pay and the right value that you get. So I think this is for all the audience and the viewers who are present in this webinar and who will attend this drone shoot to determine as to whether this is the correct project for their requirements. As far as the price is concerned, or the speculation in the market that prices are going to crash by 10%, 20%, I think these fears are totally unfounded. The first and the primary reason, what the basic economics teaches us, is price is a function of demand and supply. Now, it is not as if that the supply in the real estate market is going to grow overnight. Also, there is anticipation that demand will decline. I do not think that demand will decline. With the huge volatility that is there in the stock market, consequently in the mutual funds, gold prices, etc., real estate is the only sector which is providing stable returns to the investors. For the end users, there is no better avenue to invest in than real estate, specifically the residential real estate. So even the demand will not come down. Therefore, there is no scope of prices to come down drastically. The last submission that I will make over here is, at least if I am a buyer, I will be very reluctant to invest in a project where the prices are crashing by 10% or 15%, because I don't think I will invest in a property where the developer is facing a cash crunch. So I don't think that these fears are, have any logical reasoning to that.
Thank you, Mr. Gautam. We've received another question from a viewer who's asking, are online site visits genuine? I wanted to do a site visit for this project. Can you lead us through, please?
Sure. So are the site visit genuine? I think whatever I can say will not serve the requirement. It will not suffice, because as they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So I'll have to maybe speak 1,000 words and then show you one picture. And this is for the first time that in the west of India, we are arranging for the live drone visit. So you can see for yourself as to what is the layout of the project. And of course, I'm sure that the Runwal representatives will guide you as in drone goes. So let us show the drone shoot at present.
So yes, we are streaming live, and this is the main gate of the project where you see the blue and white color gate. On the left hand side is the Kalewadi flyover, and in front of the gate is the old Mumbai-Pune highway. So आप जैसे ही यहाँ से आप जा रहे हैं towards the project, this is approximately 26 acres of plot area that Runwal is proposing to develop with a mixed development, commercial and residential. So see, look at the greenery that you can see at the project. We are going to maintain this greenery. On the left hand side is Empire Estate. On the right hand side, where you see a blue structure, that is going to be our permanent experience center. And while you're going towards the white structure, right now we are ready with our sample flats and everything. So most of the clients have a question that whether the site visits will be open. Yes, we are going to open the site visits once the lockdown is lifted. So that's how the development is going to take place. As I said, it is going to be a combination of commercial as well as residential. The white area, as I said, is a total experience center, which will have a total experience in terms of how we are going to develop this project. We will also show you the sample flat, the audio visual of the project, and in detail we will explain you when you all visit the site. So there is one more gate that we have proposed. That is, there is a proposed gate towards the flyover that you see below the flyover. So there are going to be two gates to the project, the main gate that I showed you and the proposed gate where we are zooming. So you can see the development around this is, as Nitinji said, the right property is what one should wait for. Definitely, this is the right property to, buy a flat at. See the development that this location has. Empire Estate, a lot of other developments in and around. The plot area is, it's a huge plot area of 26 acres. I don't think Pimpri has this huge development as of now. Yes, we are moving towards the main gate again. So this is the first time we are streaming live. I think post the lockdown, I think all of you will be excited to see the development at the site. Please stay tuned for the Runwal, codename Runwal New Beginnings. We are very happy to share this with you once you all visit the site. ये main gate है यहाँ पे. Thank you, Omkar. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Hegde. That was a mesmerizing view. We'll move on to the questions again. Mr. Daga, how much area is there for residential towers and how much area have you allotted for commercial development?
So the total plot is about 26 acres, 6 acres being handed over to PCMC as a part of the approval process, 20 acres out of which is 8 acres for the residential and about 12 acres for the commercial development.
Okay, all right. Can you also give us a brief idea about the commercial development that will come?
Sure. So we are in the advanced stage of designing. We are looking at a retail development of 1 million square foot and about 6 lakh square foot of commercial office space on the top of the retail, basically.
Mr. Singh, moving on to you, how many residential towers are there in this project and how many flats per floor?
So basically, we have designed 11 towers, and on one floor we'll have more in a combination of 4 to 6 units, and that too with 4 lifts in each floor.
Sorry, Isne, I would like Jitendra to just show the master layout plan so that the viewers will understand how the 11 towers have been oriented.
Definitely.
So just give me a second, and I'll just share my screen with that. Deepika, can you do that?
Yes.
Yeah, meanwhile, we can move forward by the time we do the screen sharing.
Mr. Daga, I had another question. How many phases will the development happen?
As of now, Sneha, we have planned for 2 phases of development where 5 towers in phase 1 and rest of the 6 towers in phase 2. Let's see how it progresses. Once the lockdown is withdrawn, we will start calling these the customers who have shown a huge trust in us and have extended with their token amounts to us. And then we take it forward from there. Most likely we are contemplating of hitting the phase 2 by the festival times around the Dasara Diwali.
So this is basically the master layout, what we have planned as of now. So you can see the 5 towers which are currently in the launch phase, C1, C2, C3, this is C3, B1 and B2. So the combination is again 2-bedroom smart, 2-bedroom premium, 3-bedroom smart, 3-bedroom premium and 4-bedroom. So if you look at the layout also, the inner, if you look at the distance between the towers, it is very well planned. So you get equal space like on the podium, open area in the podium. If you look at the entire layout, it is in a shape wherein there is a ample circulation of air. So the way we have designed, we have considered everything in the planning. Like this tower should not be like, there should be free flow of air. and there should be a lot of ample space, open space to for the clients to and the residents to enjoy. If you look at the external periphery also, there are a lot of green area. We have already seen the drone, the green cover what we have currently, and plus the amenities what we have planned, that also in the outer ring road of the entire project. So it's a very well designed project wherein you have like more than 50 plus amenities right from the project layout, right from the master plan, unit plan. So we have put a lot of thought in the entire designing phase.
Thank you for that, Mr. Singh. Mr. Daga, I have another question for you. Now, people have shown a lot of confidence in RERA. So I'd like to know, what is the possession timeline as per RERA?
So for these 5 towers, phase 1, we are expecting the possessions to commence by end of 2024.
Okay, great. Ms. Hegde, what is the height of the entrance door and windows in the flat? A question we received from a viewer.
See, we didn't want to compromise on anything. So, if you ask me, the height of the door is 8 feet. And the windows, it will be wide open windows to, enable good ventilation to the flat. So the window height is approximately 7 feet.
Okay. And what is the height from floor to the ceiling in this flat?
Floor to ceiling will be approximately between 9.5 to 10 feet.
Okay. Mr. Daga, we have another question coming in. I've heard that there is a railway track near the project. Will it not create disturbance in the project?
I don't think so. Deepika and Jitendra has just explained the master layout. So if you see, there is enough distance being kept between the railway tracks and the residential development. Also, we have provided a lot of open amenities between the railway track and the building line. So it is not going to affect as much as the other projects would get affected. So there is enough gap being created between the railway tracks and the residential towers.
Thank you, that helps. Mr. Singh, can one buy Jodi units? What's the process like?
Yes, so basically this project, I think amenities, entire planning is done by us. Floor plan are designed by the customers. This is what I'll say. So whatever feedback we got from the clients, we have designed the project as per the requirement. For example, previously we also had a 1 bedroom which we removed post the feedback from the customer. 4 bedroom is again feedback given by the customer which we have created. So yes, Jodi is also one of the requirements which has come up from the customers, and yes, we have honored it, and we'll be able to offer a Jodi unit also for 2 bedroom smart and 2 bedroom premium.
Thank you. Ms. Hegde, what about the security features in the apartment?
I think this is a very valid question because, everyone knows that it's a huge plot area and the development is going to be a combination of commercial and residential. So people will definitely have this question of the security. So if you ask me, as I said earlier also, we don't want to compromise on any small, minute thing. We want to make sure that everything is planned well. So the security is going to be 3 tiers. First is going to be at the gates. Second is going to be below the building, which is the entrance lobby of the wings. And the third security will be at the entrance of your flat, which is the video door phone. So all these 3 main securities will be taken care of. Yeah.
Mr. Gautam, we have another question. How can you assist me in buying a flat in this project?
Sure. So, Sneha, I'm pretty sure the way the webinar is progressing, there are a lot of participants. There will be multiple queries, and it will not be possible because of time constraint to answer every query. So what we are going to do, first of all, is that as soon as the webinar ends, the PropTiger representatives will get in touch with all the participants, basically intending to thank them. And in case there is any query which has not been answered, then we will be more than happy to arrange a video call with the developer staff, the Runwal people, to answer your queries, arrange for the site visit as and when the lockdown ends, and guide you in the remaining of the process. However, if there is any person who later on comes across with another question that he or she has, they can always visit our website www.proptiger.com, go through all the projects that are listed over there, and basically drop their name and number, and we will contact them within 2 minutes of their dropping the lead.
Thank you. Mr. Daga, we have received a very pertinent question here. Is there any special financing scheme from a financial institution? Any payment protection scheme that you're offering?
Sneha, very good question. So we are in touch with all leading financial institutions and the banks who are extending home loans. We are working out the payment plans with them. We are confident of working out some solution looking to the COVID-19 situation where customer gets a flexibility of not paying whatever is his own contribution he has to pay at the time of booking or within couple of months of the booking amounts are being paid. But the subsequent payments we are trying to figure out with the banking institutions where the subsequent payments are staggered and there is no burden on the customer immediately in the coming next 9-10 months.
Thank you. Mr. Singh, if somebody wants to purchase a flat during the lockdown or soon after, how can one buy?
So I think this project is the only project in entire West, if you consider, which has launched in the phase of lockdown. So the only because the kind of feedback we got from the customers, so we actually wanted to do it after the lockdown gets over, but unfortunately something happened and there was so much response from the customer, they pushed us, and finally we came with a process wherein a UI process. So customer who is willing to buy, he can transfer a token of, so we have two types of token. One is 54,000 and another is a express token of 2,70,000. So 54,000 once a customer transfers, we as soon as it hits our account, we send an email with an EOI number, and in 270 express token, you can transfer the token and you can select your inventory. For example, you've seen the layout, you've seen the master plan, and a particular inventory which we think as per like your choice of numbers or something which you want to go for, you can transfer 270. You can check with us whether that inventory is available. We'll reply back to you, and you can transfer 270 and you can block the inventory. So these are the two ways wherein you can do your token and you can get your AOI and preference number. Once the lockdown is over, we'll only invite those customers who has given us the token, because we'll have to respect the government guidelines of social distancing and all other norms we'll follow. So every day we'll invite only in between 15 to 18 customers. We give them slot timings at what time they have to come. We'll operate you've seen on the drone shoot, you have seen that our show flat sample flat entirely is ready. We are ready to welcome all the clients. So it will be 15 to 18 clients who have given the token, depending upon the allotment, depending upon how sooner they have done. For example, the earlier tokens will be invited first, but 270 are the one who can jump the queue and get allotment first. So after lockdown, 15 to 18 customer daily at site, and that is how we are going to do it. So no direct walk-in we are going to entertain even after lockdown is over. So the only way of coming for the allotment or having a view, having a look at the show flat, sample flat and the product review is only by transferring the token, and it is entirely refundable. Even 2,70,000 is also refundable.
Okay. I've received another question talking about when will the allotment start and what is the process, Mr. Singh?
So as briefly explained, so after lockdown, all the customers, they already have our email, EOI token number is already emailed to them. They have their reference number. So once lockdown is over, first preference will be given to all the 270 clients who transfer the express token. After that, we'll go by first in, first out, and we'll invite only 15 to 18 customers on daily basis. We'll observe all the government guidelines, keeping the social distancing and all the norms and all safety measures at our office. We'll explain the show, we'll show them the show flat, a lot like AV, my product is also ready. So they'll get the entire information about the project on the day of allotment. But there is still, I'll again say, there is no direct walk-in. So if you intend to walk in or have a look at the project, the only way is to do a token, get your EOI number, and by that process only we are going to invite customers at site.
We've received another question. What is the expected per square feet maintenance charges in this project?
So, look, maintenance is something which normally customers pay for their own development. It is not something which is dependent upon the developer. So looking at the span of the development, we are still considering all the phases like the way Clubhouse is going to come. So those things we are still under consideration, and by the time of allotment will come with that rate. Approximately it will be in the range of 8 to 10 rupees per square feet on carpet.
Okay. Mr. Gautam, Vivek Kumar is asking us, in this COVID situation, what impact do you see on real estate industry as a whole and Pune as a city?
Sure. So look, COVID-19, when the entire pandemic and the lockdown started, the clients also got confused. You know, we could see on our sister concern website, which is housing.com, that the searches went down. But as and when the people understood the gravity of the situation and they came on terms with the lockdown period, the searches for the property, specifically the residential property, has actually grown by 20 to 30 odd percentage. Now, what we foresee is that there is a lot of pent up and a latent demand in the market. The people who were pushing their decisions for tomorrow to buy the residential property, now they have expedited their decisions. They are already in the process of selecting the micro markets, selecting the projects where they would like to go do the site visit and basically finalize the property. So I think immediately after the lockdown is over, we are going to see a lot of site visits happening, a lot of buying decisions to happen. From the government's end, the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana has been extended. The home loan interest rates are at a lowest in the last 15 years at a 7% of home loan interest. The actual cost of owning the house has come substantially down. So I see that the demand is actually going to remain either stable or it is going to increase over a period of time.
Thank you. There's a question we received from Krishna Shirpule, who's asking, when will the sample flat be ready for visit and how do you see the completion for the project? Anybody from Chain?
So I'll answer this question. So my office is entirely ready. So this was ready before the lockdown only. My sample flat is ready. So only thing is like once the lockdown gets over, then only we'll be able to invite all the customers. And again, it is only by token. So we have already crossed around 340 tokens till now. 340 is a big number. On an average, if I take 18 to 15 clients, it's a matter of around 25 days for me to attend all my existing clients. So the only way by which you can visit and see the sample and everything, it is only by transferring of token. And by December 24 is what we can see the completion of the first 5 towers.
Mayur Ingle is asking us, also, can you please repeat tentative prices for all the units?
Okay. So we have 2 configurations in 2 bedroom, which is 2 bedroom smart and 2 bedroom premium. So 68 to 72 lakhs is what we can for say for a 2 bedroom smart. In case if you're asking about 2 bedroom premium, then it is around 75 to 78 lakhs. 3 bedroom smart is around 1.01 to 1.03. 3 bedroom premium is 1.25 to 1.3, and 4 bedroom is 1.95 to 1.99 CR. These are all inclusive price. This includes your cost of car park. So if you look at 2 bedroom smart, it is 1 car park. 2 bedroom premium, 1 car park. 3 bedroom smart comes with 1 car park. 3 bedroom premium with 2 car parks, and 4 bedroom with 3 car parks. So these are all inclusive prices, and it will depend upon the the prices will fall within the range depending upon the floor and the view.
Thank you. Now we have come to the close of this webinar. We have a lot of unanswered questions, but we will definitely pass this on to the developer team. We'll wind this up for the lack of time with a closing statement from all our panelists, beginning with you, Mr. Kadaga.
So thank you, Sneha. Thank you all the participants for sparing last 40-45 minutes with us and getting an insight about the project. We look forward to you to be part of this prestigious, reputed development soon. And stay safe, stay healthy.
Ms. Hegde.
Thank you, Sneha. Thank you so much. And thank you, Nitinji, for having us here again. And, we are very thankful to the audience that, they have taken time on a Sunday morning to attend this webinar. And I'm sure that a lot of clients have a lot of questions which are unanswered. Please, please make sure that you are waiting because there is a lot more to come at the project. We are, as you are excited to see the project, we are very excited to show the sample flat and everything that we have in our experience gallery. So please make sure that the tokens are done as soon as possible. As Sanjay sir and Jitu sir said that, without token, we will not be able to entertain or, call any customer at the site, understanding the government guidelines also. So try to grab this as soon as possible and try to make sure that the tokens are done as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Please stay safe, everyone.
Thank you. Mr. Singh.
Yeah, thank you very much, Sneha and PropTiger team for giving us this opportunity. And trust me, this was first time we have gone live in West, actual site visit. So all the customers who are online right now, those are the privileged ones who have actually seen the site. Yes, on a virtual ground, but yes, they are the one who's actually been to the site now. And we are more than happy to welcome you all. My office, sample, show, everything is ready. We are just waiting for this lockdown to over. We value your safety more. I think most of the offices in Pune are open, but for us, your safety is first. That is why we are waiting. So once the lockdown is over, and post that also, we'll keep your safety in mind, and we'll only invite customers in the range of 15 to 18 customers just to keep you safe. It is the safety is the topmost priority for us, for our clients. So please be safe. Just take this opportunity and trust me, the kind of scheme and the kind of pricing we are going to offer in the this phase, it is going to be a once in a lifetime opportunity. The product is good. I can take entire hour to explain my clubhouse only. That is the kind of time I require for my clubhouse. If I want to explain my floor plans, it will take another half an hour. So due to time constraints, we can't explain. But yes, this is the project which will change your lifestyle and the skylines of Pimpri. With that statement, please stay safe, be safe, and do consider this project. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Mr. Gautam, we have a question. I think you can base your closing remark on that. Is this a buyer's market or a seller's market?
Well, it depends. If I presume that the person who is asking the question is a buyer, so I will say it's a buyer market in order to please him. And since the Runwal representatives are there, so I'll say it's a seller's market. So jokes apart, look, this is neither a buyer's market and this is nor a seller's market. This is the market, I think, for both the buyers and the sellers. The sellers have the opportunity because they know that buyers are going to be more discerning in their tastes, in their preferences. And the buyers can take advantage of a lower interest rate, a better payment terms, maybe a more aggressive negotiation stand with the developer and get the deal closed. My only advice to all the audiences and my closing remark will be that there is no perfect time, and please do not wait for the rock bottom rate, because I've seen a lot of buyers talking to me and saying, हाँ आज से ना 6 साल पहले मुझे मालूम है ये प्रॉपर्टी इस रेट पे मिल रही थी बट मैंने नहीं ली. So I don't want them to go through the same experience. So use your wisdom, take a decision and close the deal as soon as possible.
Sorry, Sneha, just to add what Nitin has said, we missed mentioning about it is about the price assurance for these 5 towers. So whatever this pre-launch price we are going to open at the time of taking the bookings, we are giving a price assurance to the customer that will not be selling the apartments in these towers less than this price.
Thank you. Thank you, panelists, for being with us today and answering the queries in depth. Thank you, viewers, for joining us on Project Talk. We hope to have answered some of your queries today. Should you have any more questions, our representatives will get back to you. You could use our social media handles to drop in your queries. Till yet another episode of Project Talk, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.